गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द व्लॉग। आज हम आए हैं कोडाईकनाल एंड आई एम स्टेइंग इन ब्यूटीफुल हॉस्टल प्लस। आई एम गोना शो यू द प्रॉपर्टी कैसी है। दिस इज़ अ secluded area in Pumbarai, around 1.5 hours away from the Kodai city. So let's get into it and show you around. Property is very pretty. You will have female dorms, male dorms, even private rooms since it's a plus property. And this is the reception area. People are checking in. Let's go in. I've been staying here since 3 days. I came on Monday and today is Thursday. Met really nice people. Now we are jumping into the cafe. This is the cafe area. You can order food by scanning here. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything is different.
Like I did, we didn't disturb.
This is a group and this is our community manager.
What, your video only stopped?
No, it's not stop. It's on only. We want to say something to my audience.
Yeah, this guy is ultimately crazy. The vlogger is crazy. He told us about a few stories which are something that you guys should not even hear. But overall, great guy, great Sindhi guy. Do subscribe to him, but also subscribe to my channel. It's called Suniti
I
K.
know. Yeah, I know I'm a good guy, but she's a school teacher. If you go-
He'll put my channel's name in the description box. So if you like great vlogs with great aesthetics and beautiful edits, and I keep traveling, so you can like subscribe and look at my channel.
Yeah.
You'll get a lot of. I've done my promotion in this vlog. Come, I'll take you around. Okay, guys, come, I'll take you around.
It's my vlog, guys.
This is,
It's my channel.
This is a cafe. Then we are now going to the common area. Yeah. See, look at the views, guys. Now come up here.
हाईजैक कर लिया है मेरी vlog इसने.
I'm gonna give you guys the best hostel experience ever. Apparently, this is the best hostel that people have ever gone to. This is my first hostel, so I cannot even compare to any other hostels. But my experience here has been the greatest one. So this is our common area. This is where people sit and work. Sometimes they put down this chess game and all, and they don't play also. And we can also play carom board. Some people like to paint on this. So there you can see a lot of paint drops. Okay. On
कितना
this.
दूर?
Okay. On this TV, we can do karaoke and everything. I love Taylor Swift music, so we do a lot of Taylor Swift karaoke. So if you like, you should also do it. But I am inclusive. I like all types of music. Okay, enough about me, guys.
Yeah, enough about you. Show the place, man.
This is football. This is where I win all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so most of the people you'll see are from actually Bangalore, and all of them are doing like IT. And look at this. But this guy is actually from Mumbai. Huh? Okay. Come on. We have more spaces to cover. I'll take you guys on the... There's a sky deck that we have, and you can see the most incredible views from there. You can see great sunrise at 5:30. But you have to wake up at 5:30, and by 5:50, 6 o'clock, the sunrise begins. This is the area to like go to the sky deck, and you have to. It's like a small trek, okay, which is like 5 minutes upstairs. Not even 5 minutes, actually 2 minutes. I'm fast as fuck, so sorry, no swearing. No, you can. That is all that you do not lie about.
Not open at 5:30.
I mean, it is open if I wake up and I have the keys. I'm also going after a long time now. I'm not such an active person. I'm actually a very active.
Bragging about yourself. People want to know about this place, not you.
Oh, sorry. I'm sure they want to know now about me.
You just want to steal my audience.
Who is your audience?
Lovely people.
I
who are
think,
watching.
guys, we'll let it be for today. Because I can't do this anymore. Okay. Guys, today seems like a really good day. Okay.
Almost there. Let's go.
Yeah. Welcome to our sky deck.
So this is the sky deck area. You can enjoy beautiful sunrise. This is the east direction.
Boys are enjoying.
Do visit another Zostel plus Mumbai.
If you want to chill like this and be so not worried about life, just come here.
This is what? Is this a swing?
It's a swing.
Show them the cabins over there. We have a lot of cabins there.
So you can see those are like private rooms, those are dorms. If you are a couple, if you're solo traveling or in a group, I think it's a perfect spot for staycation, vacation. Now we are heading back from the sky deck. Just see the breathtaking view, man. Imagine you wake up to this view. How good is your mood? Plus, this Suniti takes us out every day around 4:30 to some offbeat place to enjoy for picnic and to enjoy a beautiful sunset if you are lucky because sometimes it's cloudy, you miss the sun, but it's still worth going.
But yeah, if you guys wanna see like great sunsets, you should come to this place in summers, which is like April and May, and then the season of monsoon will set in. So it's gonna be totally different. It's gonna be so misty. The clouds are going to be inside over here.
Yeah. And here you can see another common area. This is the top floor. Here you can see live pizza making. The chefs make live pizza. There are swings. You can enjoy the view, sit, enjoy your food. And the sky deck is open, I think, till 8 o'clock. After that, it closes. Now this is another common area where you have hammocks. and a hut in which people can sit and play games. This is the bonfire area where every night around 10 there is bonfire. We listen to music, play games. Pretty fun. You get to know new people, different cultures. And now I'm going towards the dorm area. There is a female dorm here. This one is a female dorm. So my dorm is like very above, so you have to climb a lot. So you lose your breath. That is a private room. And I'm almost there to my dorm. This is the dorm area right now. It's getting cleaned. The washroom is pretty okay, decent. And you get a beautiful balcony with a beautiful view. So right now I'm gonna rest. Maybe I'll go somewhere out, explore some new places, and I'll show you guys around. So बने रहिए. भाग गई.
सही. Bending down.
Yeah. हमको पता नहीं हम कहाँ आ गए हैं. बस यहाँ वहाँ से मैप्स पे भी नहीं आ रहा है. This way is the sunset.
Might as well let's just go because I tell you what.
आगे पानी है.
किसी की परमिशन आ
सेक्सी लग रहा है यहाँ से। Who is Prema? Hema. Hema Priya.
Yeah.
For you.
Raj.
दो ना फिर. You have extra? I'll give them 2.
Yeah, water. Yeah. How was the crowd wise? I heard that last 3 days lot of dancing has happened.
Oh yeah, it was so much fun. Like there were so many people and dancing.
Guys, तो हम कर रहे हैं push-up challenge between these people.
What is this?
It's a frog. I don't know. Who's doing it. I just heard push-up and I came. Everyone. So who's doing it? Push-up. No, hello. You can't hear.
This is our property manager. If you're visiting, yeah, he's little shy, but he's a nice guy.
The competition
I don't tell it is still. No, everybody starts together.
She was here.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4. You do the counting and we do the push-up.
So one by one.
इधर जाने वाला है.
Do the counting.
Instagram पे ऐसे ही रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है ना फिलहाल अभी.
अभी फिलहाल ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ.
ठीक है बढ़िया. करो करो.
चलो.
Push-up means you have to on the floor ना.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
चलो.
भाई कल पेन ना हो जाए तुम लोगों को. उठ नहीं पाएगा कल.
So we are going.
This night is young.
So we are going.
वाटरफॉल जाना है कि नहीं? मैं तो करता हूँ.
अगर उठ गया तो.
We are doing.
He's already push-up. Go down. What are you doing? Go.
Get in position.
Go, guys.
So
Raj, come.
we'll do in the hut, na hut. We'll do in. We'll do inside.
Can you see?
A mom is a dog. ठंड बढ़ रही भाई गर्मी लेके आओ.
Arey, he is doing warm up.
We'll go inside, na. नीचे.
Just you over there. Arey wow.
Men used to hunt, man. Come on.
So we have to do in sync.
हाँ चलो.
1, 2, 3, start.
2, 3, start. 1, 3,
Full body go.
Different
4,
Full body.
5. Okay, stop. Everyone stop. 6. Now again. 7. 7th one. 7th one. You also. 8. Now 8. 8. 8 you. 9. 10. 11.
करें आगे.
12.
12.
13.
13.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
24. 25. 27. 28.
29.
30. Hey, Raman. 29. 30. Again, we have 31.
Yeah.
33. Oh my God, 34. You continue again till morning.
Okay, that's it if you want.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, go ahead. How much?
30 मारे
I did 45, bro. 45.
Also 50.
50 इन वन वो घुटने वाला करेगा वो घुटने